Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to create a resource group inside Azure Cloud. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to any browser, and if you already you maintain an Azure Cloud account, so go you need to sign into that account. So obviously the address URL is portal.azure.com, and once press enter, then you will be logged into. So if you already have an account, so it will be already saved your credentials, so straightly you will be logged into your account, and this is the home page what you are getting. And actually your Microsoft Azure Cloud will be updating every time periodically. So maybe if you got trained on this particular cloud platform right now, and after maybe your 2 to 3 months again you are visiting the same cloud platform, you don't see most of the options, because they are continuously periodically updating all the options. So I'm seeing this website for the last 3 to 4 years, and there is a huge difference between every year how the visual looks. It is continuously changing. So and today we are going to create a resource group first, and I will be posting continuous videos related to Azure Cloud. So the first thing is that creating a resource group, and this resource group is nothing but it's like a folder where whatever the resources you are creating, that will be comes inside this resource group, right? So here in order to create resource group, you will be having multiple options, like directly click on here, create a resource, or click on resource group and get inside, and you need to create one. So if lot of options are there. If you don't find anything like this, you straightly go to the left panel, you have an option. So there you need to find resource group, then click on that, right? And now you will be having a create resource group option. And suppose if you already have some resource group means, then you can straightly go and click on this add button. So click on add button, then it will ask you. Now it will leads to this create resource group tab, and here you it will be asking a few details only. So the first one is subscription. So I already subscribed this Azure Cloud using my organization email ID. So this is actually a offer provided by the Azure, that is Azure for Cloud. We are getting 100 dollars for free usage for 12 months. And I already posted one video regarding this, how to get a as free Azure Cloud using this organization email ID. And I will be posting that URL in the description below, and you can go and check out that how to create that, right? And after getting, so I have an active subscription, so it will be automatically displayed here. So this is Azure for Students, that is my subscription currently I'm maintaining. And now the thing what you need to do is that giving a name for the resource group. So here you can give any name. So I'm giving my resource group, right? My RG. So that is my resource group. So yeah, it is okay. You will be getting a green tick symbol, so that means you can able to use that name. Sometimes once you are going to give names for some resources, and you will be getting an red color exclamation mark. So in that case, it's nothing but sometimes some places Azure will take your variable, your name as global. So in that case, you need to satisfy the condition provided by the Azure. So here you can simply give any name, and it will say that okay, your name is fine. Now you need to choose location. So I always you will be having multiple locations available, and you can, there is no restriction is using any location, no matter. But I'm preferably I'm going to use India, because I belongs to India, so that I will be connected to the nearby server. So I'm using Asia Pacific Central India. So you can choose according to your countries, or doesn't matter. You can straightly go and choose any region. So that is fine. So after giving a resource name as well as the location where you are going to save this, And now you can go for tagging. Now tagging is a new feature available, and no need to go for that. You can straightly go review and create. So click on review and create. Now it will be, validation is paused. So your subscription is Azure for students, and the resource group is what I give, that is my RG, and the region I choose is Central India because I come from India. And now I also didn't give any values for tags. Now I'm going to click on create. So you will be getting a notification here. So you can see here, yeah, resource group is created. You have two options. One, you can go directly to the resource group, or you can add this resource group, pin this resource group in the dashboard. So both options are available. I'm closing this now. Now in order to see that, see, you can see here, inside the resource group, you can see here a resource group is created, right? Now you can click on that resource group, and you will be having few options there. I will be discussing that in the upcoming videos, right? And so thanks for watching. I will be keep posting different topics of this particular Azure cloud in the upcoming sessions. So kindly stay tuned, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.
Caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.